guys, good morning and welcome to Culinary Safari. Chef Asif here and today it's a very special day और आज जो होने वाला है आज मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि रात के 12 बज चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। इट्स 12 AM। मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ टाइम। ये देखिए 12 बजकर हो चुके हैं और आज सेंट पॉल जा रहे हैं एक ट्रिप पर, एक पिकनिक पर। स्टूडेंट्स को लेकर समर कैंप चल रहा है, वो स्टूडेंट्स को लेकर वो पिकनिक पे जा रहे हैं। और मैं इस वक्त क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं इस वक्त बना रहा हूँ पाव भाजी। पाव तो रेडीमेड मिलते हैं ऑलरेडी, बट भाजी की प्रिपरेशन मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ। सभी पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बोला है कि आप पाव भाजी की भाजी बनाइए और लोग पाव का अरेंजमेंट तो कर देंगे। तो पेरेंट्स भी आ रहे हैं कल, नियर अबाउट 40 पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं इंक्लूडिंग वुमेन एंड मैन। और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है ये ट्रिप और मैं बना रहा हूँ पाव भाजी इस वक्त। ठीक है, तो चलिए ब्लॉग को कंटिन्यू करते हैं और आगे आपको कल का जो ट्रिप होने वाला है उसकी वीडियो बताता हूँ। Hi, good morning. So today we are going to Bhimgarh and all the students have arrived here, but as I can see some of the students have not yet come. So here they have been told to sit here by the Anthony sir, and very soon we will be leaving to Bhimgarh. So here they have been given instructions. Anthony sir.
Are you happy to go to picnic? Yeah! Well, sit straight. I want to see first. Sit straight first. No one will bend and your own position will not be okay? Comfortable. Everyone got the chair? Water bottle? Yes. Your monitoring first. Seat is available. Please sit down there and counting and each. First there will be 2 coaches and there will be someone, our drivers will be there. Come on first, hurry up. Now.
And here are our parents who are coming for this picnic for the first time. These were not for the last time, so this time they are coming. Sir, anything you want to say regarding this picnic? Are feeling shy? बोला काय नाही
काय नाही एन्जॉय करायचं
बरोबर दीपक भाव कुछ तो बोलो. टाटा बाय बाय खत्म बाबा टाटा
मेंटल जिंदगी
Mentos. And here are the ladies parents. So ladies and gents both will be going in the same bus. So Parvez bhai is the PTA member. Parvez bhai, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
क्या बोलते तैयारी
ये देखो
आपकी?
ये लगा रहे स्कूल बस, ये देखो ये लगा रहे
स्कूल बस लगी है, उसके ऊपर पोस्टर भी लगा है
हाँ
बस, और उस पर नंबर भी डाला गया है.
यस यस
ये PTA member Mr. Parvez, very much busy at the moment taking care of the bus. So there will be a separate bus for the parents in which both gents and ladies will go. हॅलो मिस्टर गोल्डस्मिथ, हाव आर यू? सो आता काय म्हणायचं आहे आजच्या पिकनिकबद्दल?
मस्त एन्जॉय करण्यासाठी मोनू सिंग आम्ही सगळे ग्रुप ऑलवेज जायचं आहे. आज बघा पिकनिक कशी मस्त करून यायचं, एन्जॉय करायचं पोरांच्या बरोबर.
ओके ओके, चला व्यवस्थित. आपली तयारी आहे की नाही एन्जॉयमेंटसाठी?
फुल.
ओके ओके, व्हेरी गुड. चला बघूया. सो ॲज अ रिफ्रेशमेंट वी हॅव टेकन बनानास अँड वॉटरमेलन for the students. So for safety reasons we have arranged one ambulance from Khatibe Azam Foundation. This will come to Bhimgarh. If in case something happens to any of the children or the parents, then this ambulance is there to support us. As you can see, all the parents, this is the separate bus for the parents. Most have been occupied by the ladies. So we are all standing here. That's our choice.
Say hi to everyone. Say hi.
No, not business, not business. No business, huh? हाँ बोलो उमेश भाई, क्या बोलते हैं आज की पिकनिक के बारे में? क्या ख्याल है?
आनंद लग रहा है.
आनंद.
यस.
ओके. आनंद, मिलिंद और आनंद हो गए, हमारे मिलिंद हो गए, ऐसा नहीं, एक आनंद एक मिलिंद.
आनंद और मिलिंद का ये मिलन हो गया है.
हाँ ओके, चला यार आप आएगा एक्स्ट्रा. So our first stop is at Nandgarh. So here we will be going to the church. The church is located on the hill. I will show you. तो चल के ऊपर जाना है और अभी टाइम हो रहा है 8:30. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट स्टॉप है यहाँ पर और इसके बाद में ब्रेकफास्ट होगा. पहले हम वो चर्च पे जाके आने वाले हैं. और बिलव्ड फ्रेंड मोनू सिंह.
Hello guys, we are now reached to Nandgarh hill station. You can see as the look, how is the view. So all the students have joined for the picnic. So as a parents also we all are there. You can see the view. See all the parents are going. So they are so excited to watch the Nandgarh hill station.
There is lot of enthusiasm among the women. So lots of women have come today for this picnic. Come on madam, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Come on, come on.
आप कर सकते हो.
Dr. Tisha, it's something
What?
on YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Hope you all are enjoying it.
We can climb.
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it together.
Yes, come on, come on.
Sure.
Oh, so much you can do it.
ये आप ले प्यून दादा है
हाँ, ये हमारे
सेंट पॉल से.
बोलते हैं ना रीड किया है तूने.
अभी इन्होंने एक स्पीकर लिया है और माइक भी साथ में है.
Now we are entering to the
हाँ सर, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो?
Nandgarh hill.
चर्च तो आए हम.
आइले नहीं
आए खुशी मना रहे.
ओके चलो चलते हैं. ओके,
Now we are reached the welcome board. The miraculous cross Nandgarh hill.
Miraculous Cross Nandgarh Hill. Come to me all who are tired and I will give you rest. So this is the beautiful view. You can see the dam of the Nandgarh. Still long way to go.
Come on, you can go. Come on, you can do it.
So we are the last. यहाँ से आपको पूरा क्लियर सीन दिखेगा. You can hear some of the birds humming. So calm, so peacefully.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Nandgarh church trekking.
How is your experience, ma'am?
It's so nice. Very nice.
Once again, you want to visit?
So nice, so beautiful, just looking like a wow.
Wow.
Okay. At last, we have reached now.
Finally we have reached at the point. Miraculous cross. Nandgarh.
Wow, magic stuff.
Along with the Catholic, there were churches, the priests came here, the missionaries were there, and the church was already here, which is quite old, down there in the village. This is not the church here, this is just a monument. And the monument came and people came and prayed there. So one priest came, offered his prayers, supplications on behalf of all those who were suffering by plague. And people started getting healed and cured. That was the miracle. Then, since then they started blocking this place, offering their prayers, petitions, supplications to the Holy Cross, the miraculous cross, and as a result they were getting cured. So this tradition was going on. I was in Belgaum many years ago, but I never visited. This is my second time. Last year I came around this time, and I'm getting an opportunity to come with you all today here. So this is just the second time. And the cross is actually there up there. And people come here, and it's not only Christians or Catholics, but people from different religions come here, walk here. Yesterday there was a big function from morning till evening. You must have seen the board there, and then they come. In different religions, we have got many holy places, temples, and we have got feasts.
So time to go up now.
Make one line, make one line.
No running slowly.
One line.
Chalo, ready? No running. No running slowly.
Go, don't push. Go.
So here is the miraculous cross on top. Before that, I would like to show you a beautiful view from this place. 96 stairs, 93 steps, 96. सो आपने काउंट किया? हाँ, वाह वाह, अरविंद भाई ने काउंट किया, 96 स्टेप्स है.
Yes, sir. 96.
So this is our Anthony sir, who is in charge for the entire summer camp and the planning of all this picnic. Sir, say something please.
So, good morning to everyone. This is what we visited first, the Miracle Nandgarh Cross. There are about 250 students visited this, and they seek the blessings of this Miracle Cross. And this is the history of this Miracle Cross. Father Simon has been explained to our students, and it was really fun, and all the students are enjoying visiting this place. And really, I'm thank you very much for all the parents for your support and guidance. Thank you. Next, we are going to take all the students to the Nandgarh Dam, where they are going to have their breakfast and proceeding to the Bhimgarh. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So now, as you can see, all the students are sitting in their respective buses. Now we are supposed to serve them charge. Let's see if we can serve them here or near the dam. So right now we are at the Nandgarh Dam. This is a small park, and here all the students are having their respective breakfast. Shazil. सही बनी है पाव भाजी? So this place the parents will have the breakfast. Students already had their breakfast. Now they just went for a small walk, and some of them are coming back. So everyone had a great time with the pav bhaji. They all liked the pav bhaji which I prepared. Guys, anything you make, you just make with love. Your things will come out very nice. So this is the beautiful dam of Nandgarh. Beautiful scenery. Especially it looks very well, very beautiful, very much green. during monsoon. I have been here during monsoon. Let's ask this sir and the yoga coach how was the pav bhaji. Balesh sir.
Hi sir.
And this is our yoga sir. How was the breakfast?
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you sir. Thank you.
Breakfast was very good. इधर देख उमेश भाई देख
उमेश सर.
खड़ा खड़ा
ये हमारे उमेश भाई है. उमेश भाई. So viewers, here I will end the video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.